Hello and welcome to day 20 of Bedtime Welsh. So we had a couple of things to say. What do we have to say today?
Diolch am y cwtch Griff.
Oh yeah, Angharad says thank you for the cwtch to Griff. And Matilda looks forward to seeing this every night. That's lovely, isn't it? And
I look forward to seeing you one day, Matilda.
Okay, yeah, so we've got to try and make the party thing happen. And Alice loves her Bedtime Welsh too. Yeah, da iawn, Alice.
Da iawn, Alice.
Da iawn, Alice. Keep going. Okay, so what have we got for you today? A little bit of a recap now. So the first one just recaps what we've done for the last few days. Do you want to play with me?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth hefo fi?
Well, you put an extra rhywbeth in there, didn't you? They probably just went for wyt ti isio chwarae efo fi. But that's fine. The rhywbeth is it's a bonus, 2 for 1 there. So next one, I want to say something interesting.
Dwi isio dweud rhywbeth diddorol.
Da iawn. Dwi isio dweud rhywbeth diddorol. And then, but I can't remember.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio. And then, what I wanted to say.
Beth o'n i isio dweud?
Beth o'n i isio dweud. And then finally, I want to speak Welsh with you now.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi rŵan.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rŵan. Da iawn, you're doing brilliantly. Okay. Oh, we want to say hello to the cat. No, cat is disappearing. Cat is going somewhere. Can't get that, but there was a cat. So you want to say hello to Socks, didn't you? To Matilda's cat. So now there isn't a cat. There isn't a girl. I think we just need to say goodbye. So it's hwyl am y tro. Oh, she's back just in time to say hwyl am y tro. Ta-ra.